on leg restraints?
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
Amid the calm afternoon atmosphere at Miami International Airport, as every passenger sat quietly waiting for takeoff to Philadelphia, no one could have imagined that this flight would never leave the ground. It all started with a tiny scratch on a Louis Vuitton bag, but within minutes, it spiraled into a full-blown mid-air meltdown before the plane even moved. Shouting, chaos, and armed officers rushing into the cabin, all of it turned what should have been an ordinary flight into one of the most explosive emotional breakdowns ever caught at Miami Airport in 2023.
They don't want to get off. They don't want to get off.
Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here to do something. Make yourself useful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her.
I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the front.
Take off your purse. Take off your purse. Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are going to go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable. Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why am I?
Relax. Got it? All right. Stop resisting.
Her stubborn refusal to cooperate left officers with no choice. They had to move in and place her under arrest.
Talaya!
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're going to get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. Can I be unchoked? Can I be not
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They told me I had to get off the plane.
Right now.
Wait, excuse me. They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant. Retired from the Army.
You're not acting like someone who's been
You're
in
not
service.
either. You're not either.
You're under
if you were
arrest
acting
now.
like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! Let go.
Like you see, I'm not drunk. I'm completely sober. What's wrong? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Bring it. I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not high. Look, I'm not high. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. Your pussy. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out.
Listen,
Ma'am,
you don't want to talk to them, don't worry. Talk to me, okay?
ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit out of them. I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're going to get more charges for no reason.
We don't understand. We got no charges.
You're going to get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us.
If you ask him, he will
Can you listen to me?
listen. You ain't talking.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk? So that you guys can come like this. I just look at you. I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but
but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport people, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines tells you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way?
Both women lashed out with furious defiance, their tempers blazing against the officers, never realizing that every act of resistance was sealing their fate, turning a simple incident into a full-blown disaster.
If I fear freedom, I've shot. I've had a guy right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen a guy ignored. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know I'm not home. I have parties tonight that I have to be at, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she didn't do nothing. We're not talking about listening. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her.
Okay, until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
okay, listen, for some reason they wanted you off the plane and you didn't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to get off.
Why did they call us?
I never got
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Not every. Are you listening to me or no?
Excuses poured out one after another, each more desperate than the last, as the two women scrambled to justify their actions and shift the blame away from themselves.
I'm trying to make sure she feels safe. I'm trying to make sure you both good.
We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are up and I will definitely sue you guys. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade police
There's
report.
no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. Two Louis bags. Yes, two. I don't know.
Well, your boarding pass, I didn't
Oh,
see my phone.
good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody. I'm not so
Wait, I'm going. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior is
understand.
okay.
I didn't behave no way except tears.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
In the midst of the chaos, she suddenly broke down and revealed a heartbreaking reason her best friend had been shot dead just days earlier, right in front of her hotel. For a brief moment, her anger gave way to grief. Her trembling voice carried the weight of genuine pain. But even that sorrow couldn't undo what had already happened. The officers listened, their expressions a mix of sympathy and duty, yet the law remained unshaken. No matter how tragic her story was, it couldn't justify the violence, the threats, or the mayhem she had unleashed on that plane.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
On stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot and I'm gonna get the other.
You got leg restraints?
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
landing?
Yeah.
You bitch.
Time my phone. Stairs.
Her feet, right here.
Yo, she's trying to kick.
That's fine. That's fine.
Charlie 20,500 requesting a ball reference to 36.
That's not gonna stop me. I'm just gonna sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers.
All right. Give it some slack, Manny, so we grab it under the hinge.
Yeah, you can slack here. Oh yeah, but she still has
All
her
this
first.
for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect. I think my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her.
Wait.
She's trying to. Just take off the cut it. Cut it.
You're a cop. You die. You guys are such not even real cops.
The officers had no choice but to forcibly escort her off the plane, ensuring the safety of everyone on board. As they reached the jet bridge, the tension still lingered in the air, her voice echoing in protest, defiance giving way to exhaustion. Once outside, police followed strict protocol, conducting a thorough search to ensure there were no weapons or dangerous items in her possession. Every step was handled by the book firm, controlled and professional. A stark contrast to the chaos that had unfolded just moments earlier inside the cabin.
If you open this door, it'll make your life easier.
Can I get the flight number destination? Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
Saying she's an Army veteran, right?
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat, but
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come on to the front. As soon as they walked,
I didn't notice. I'm sorry.
she said she was going to kidnap me.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way, though. Yeah,
We
she
already
was,
got one of your information.
he got only mine.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your part of the crew. Whatever. It'll be an incident
Yeah, no,
report.
yeah, for
Gotta
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me. I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my. Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon. How am I
It's on
gonna
this
pee?
door. No,
How am I gonna pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here, it's my carry-on.
Carry-on's right here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then you guys. Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and I ask for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops help? No, because when I asked for cops help the first time, you guys
You want to
arrested
get
me.
out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to
to
pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's what
So
I
you
mean.
don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're not
don't have a
giving me
tampon. We do
You
not
should
have one.
find one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
you
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
There's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have a. There's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
They're
You have it
in
in your
my
bag, you
luggage.
can get it from your
When-
bag.
Excuse me, sir. When I board from here, they give me that. When I board, when I go to the bathroom. Excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you gonna talk over me?
The carry-on's right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give. Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you. You're leaving home.
Huh? She doesn't want to get out. She said. She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't.
She now faces a long list of criminal charges. 2 felony counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 1 felony for resisting arrest with violence, 3 misdemeanors for assault, and 1 count of trespassing. Along with that came a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines. Her outburst over a scratched Louis Vuitton bag had spiraled into a criminal case that could follow her for years. The lesson is clear. No luxury item or wounded pride is worth losing your freedom. In moments of anger, calm and cooperation can save you, while defiance can destroy everything in seconds.